Hey guys, Cody with Import Image Racing, and today we're going to be taking a look at something very rare right now. We have 8 of these in stock. This is the FP Blue Turbo for the FA20 WRX. This is an externally gated turbo, so you're going to have external wastegates to run this, but this thing is amazing. It's a powerhouse, and it's going to really waken up that FA20. As of making this video, you can actually check it is November 30th, 2021. So we have 8 of them right now. If you're watching this a year from now and we don't have any in stock, well, you missed out, and that's why you should subscribe to make sure you don't miss this kind of thing. When you open up this box, you're going to see this package right here. This is going to be your oil lines and that sort of thing for the FP, but let's just go ahead and pull this thing out and just take a look, dive right in, talk about some of the specs, and see what you can expect with this thing. Oh yeah. So as soon as I pulled this thing out of the box, Dane saw me. He's like, "Hey friend," because as you know, he's an FP freak.
And your resident turbocharger expert.
So he's gonna educate us here on the FP Blue.
This is the, of course, FP Blue for the 15 Plus WRX. This specific unit is set up for external wastegate, so you have to have an external wastegate header in order to use this turbo. This turbo comes with a 10 centimeter exhaust housing. What the 10 centimeter means is this. This is called your scroll. So what this is, the distance from where the scroll starts to where it ends on the inside of the housing is 10 centimeters. These cars, they flow best with the larger housings. It helps with keeping boost up at higher RPMs. This turbo also is the journal bearing model. The journal bearing model uses a cast iron bearing housing and uses 2 floating journal bearings. This also has a billet compressor wheel, which is really cool. It uses Force Performance's patented HTZ aero, which is pretty rad, just like everyone at Force Performance. This turbo is rated at 57 pounds per minute, so what that means is that it can flow roughly 570 horsepower worth of air to the engine. Now to the tire, that translates to around 475 wheel horsepower. This turbo's freaking sweet, man. You should get one for 15 Plus WRX only, but it can make power. It spools relatively quick for what it is. And then if you have E85, it's only going to make it that much mo better. So yeah, we have 8 of these here in-house at importimageracing.com. This does come with all the lines, gaskets, everything needed for install, and you also get Force Performance's warranty with it. So, if you would like one of these fancy, spicy units, shoot me a message, or Miguel, or Steven, and we can get you one, because we have 8 of them. They need forever homes. See? Hello, my pretty.